Hello. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday, Thursdays, Saturdays are days na light days for me as a doctor, because these are the days na isa lang ang clinic ko. Actually, dalawa dapat, pero hindi ko tinatauhan yung isa kasi parang gusto ko may pahinga, di ba? So Tuesday, Thursday, Saturdays are my light days. I only have one clinic, 10:30 to 12:30. Pero these days also, since May 6, gives me sadness and, melancholy. Kasi ito yung mga days na sinasamahan namin si Mami sa dialysis niya. And syempre, maninibago kami dahil parang ang luwag-luwag ng Martes, Huwebes at Sabado naming magkakapatid. Dito ko si Mami talagang namimiss on Tuesdays, on these days. Parang what will I do with my day? Sobrang luwag. Walang nanay na bibisitahin, walang nanay na sasamahan sa dialysis. Walang nanay na kakamustahin before, during, and after dialysis. So, pag dumadating na itong Martes, Huwebes, Sabado, nalulungkot na ako. And also, pre-passing of my mom, these are the days I do my groceries, I have my massage, I have my alone time. Pero ngayon, tinatamad akong makipagkita sa aking kadate every Thursday for massage. Shout out to you, Abigail Faith. Actually, tinatamad akong makipag-socialize. I hope I get back to it kasi namimiss ko rin. Pero actually hindi. Hindi ko siya namimiss na mag-socialize pa. Ayokong makipag-socialize kasi ayokong tanungin ako. Ayokong kamusta ka na, ganun. Ayoko ng ganun. Ayoko ng feeling na ganun. Gusto ko parang wala lang. Kasi tapos na yung namatay na eh. Tapos na. May wake naman. So, dun, nagpunta ka. Nagpunta yung mga kaibigan namin. Nagpunta yung mga mahal namin sa buhay. Dun, kwento to the max. Pero after that, parang ayoko nang magkwento. I don't know kung pareho tayo yung mga namatayan dyan. Kung pare-pareho tayo ng pakiramdam na kapag namatayan ka, during the wake, okay, kwento to the max what happened. But after, parang tinatamad ka ng magsalita about the passing. Nung minsan nasa SM ako, meron akong kailangan bayaran yata na hindi umubra online. So, I had to line up in the pay bills counter ng SM. There was one person there who knew me. Sabi niya sa akin, "Oh, doktora," sabi niya, "bakit hindi ka yata pumapasok ngayon?" Parang gusto kong dunggulin eh. Sorry. Parang ine-expect niya magkwento pa ako sa kanya. Alam naman niya kung anong nangyari. So, yun yung mga iniiwasan kong bagay. Huwag mo na akong tanungin kasi okay na. Ayoko na munang magkwento. Ayoko na munang magsariwain yung anong kwento nangyari, bakit namatay, anong ganon. Basta namatay, okay na yun. Kaya, sabi ko lang sa kanya, wala lang. Nagkiklinik naman ako, sabi kong ganon, pero panggabi kasi ako, sabi kong ganon sa kanya. So, you don't see me. Ganun na lang. Pero alam naman niya, parang she was just waiting for me to tell her the story, the whole thing, what happened. Wala ako sa mood. So, ganun. That's why Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays makes me a bit sad still. Pero I make myself busy by reading, doing stuff at home. As in, binibisi ko ang buhay ko kapag ganitong mga araw. Kasi nga, ayokong maglungkot-lungkutan. But anyway, it's another day. It's a Tuesday today. So, it's a clinic day. And it's a light day. But, after clinic, I go back home, read my books, and then play with my apos. And that's it. Have a good day, everyone, and God bless you.